And now, from Oakland, California, under the direction of Kumula, Mark Kelly Ho'omalu, Men of Academy of Hawaiian Arts.
A mele written by Kumu Mark expounds on an old tale of Pele.
Make a blind Gaili ke kai mai e kuhi kuhi nei me tamahu ilani Hai ke ka ohi Hai no e ke tabu me na o maga Hohi iaga no hula ke no wa e umei Egi alaga
Make known the art of Holua, Hawaiian sledding, the men of Academy of Hawaiian Arts.
Now the chief refused to race Pele on the Holua sled. She became angry and devastated the land, creating Mount Pu'uhulu, the hills of Pele.
We have this familiar theme of Pele chasing young men on the Holua sled who challenge her. We still have Holua slides, and this sport is becoming popular again in Hawaii. The men tonight wear malo that were usually tied for warfare. They do a version of what we call pa'i'umauma, which is usually done as a hula noho. Pa'i'umauma is a slapping of the chest.
And coming up next, we have the halau that gave birth to Miss Aloha Hula earlier this week. Kapa Hula o Kawanoe o Wa'ahila, coming up next at the Merry Monarch Festival.